Oh, Bill.
Hmm?
There you are. Say, what are you doing there, Bill?
What am I doing? Isn't it obvious? I am stuffing coconuts in my mouth, stupid!
Well, if you don't mind my asking, why are you stuffing coconuts in your mouth?
Why? Why am I stuffing coconuts in my face? Because there is nothing else to do, Scooter. We live in a stupid jungle full of nothing but peas! You see that? For entertainment, I have 3 choices. 1, get hurt on my own. 2, get hurt by those terrible thunder lizards. Or 3, talk to you, which makes my brain hurt. Well, I want more, I tell you. I want more out of my miserable life. The world owes me! I guess I'm gonna regret that. So you see, General Galapagos, our new experimental goop could stop the humans right in their tracks.
Thunder lizards, have you familiarized yourself with this? Thunder lizards!
Oh, sorry, General, man. We were just helping ourselves to the hors d'oeuvres table.
Yeah, try the cheese spread. It's delicious. That is not cheese spread. That is our new experimental goop. You drop it on the jungle floor. The humans step on it, they become caught. The goop hardens, and we have them.
So, this goop is a new weapon?
Who needs a new weapon? Our bee launchers work just fine. I'm gonna hope you have another one of those around.
Squat's right, General Galapagos. Why give up on bees?
Yeah, man. All we're saying is, give bees a chance.
You'll use the experimental goop and you'll like it.
Bye-bye, Scooter. Yes, stupid.
Here, Bill. I made this for you.
Huh? Scooter, help! My head! Something's eating it!
It's not eating your head, Bill. It's called a helmet. It protects your head. Go ahead, try it out. Go kick the tree.
Wow. All right. You cannot hurt me, you stupid tree! I have a helmet!
The helmet doesn't protect your body, silly man, but this will.
Huh? Protect me from what?
Look, pal. You said you wanted something more, so I invented sports. I call this sport fruit ball. See, I toss the fruit ball, and you catch it.
Oh, what fun! Then what?
Well, the opposing team of fruit ball players try to take the fruit ball away from you.
Opposing team? What opposing team? There's a mastodon sitting on my hand.
We have crossed into the X zone. Squat, kata. Ready the experimental goop.
You got it, Doc. Come on, Squat, let's get this thing open. Let me give you a hand there, pal. Just about. Got it?
How are we doing back there?
Almost ready, Doc.
Any second now.
Why?
Gee, sorry that mastodon sat on your hand, Bill. Here, I made you this. I call it a mitt. It'll keep your squashed hand warm until the swelling goes down. Now, I call my next sport bees ball. Okay, Bill, ready? You get 3 strikes. Go ahead.
Oh, boy, this is great. Now what?
You gotta catch the bees ball before it hits the ground and breaks open, revealing the bees.
What are you... Huh?
You know, there may be something to your baseball mitt. Toss it back, Bill.
Oh, yeah, I'll throw this back, Scooter.
Good toss, buddy. Say, did you hear the sound the baseball made? It was so high-pitched. Hey, yeah, we'll call throwing the baseball a pitch.
Wait a minute! Can't see! Sun in my eyes! Ow! Ow! Hey! Ow!
Too bad, Bill. You didn't catch it. Now, what should we call that?
Ow! 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 I'm out! Scooter, help! I'm out!
You're out? That's it! When you don't catch the ball in baseball, you are out. Boy, I love making up sports with you, buddy.
We've got to remove the goop from your bodies before it hardens.
Let me help you, Doc.
No, Cutter, don't you see?
Well...
Could this be worse?
Well, yes, in fact, it could, Doc. It appears some of the goop has gotten into our guidance system, thereby jamming it, sending us rocketing out of control right for that volcano.
Uh-oh, guys, I think the goop is finally hardening.
Ow!
Ha! Stupid bees! Nature! When will its horrible little creatures learn the world is mine? I rule here, you stupid nature! Oh, you other species can just...
Yes, Biff. Your army of mechanical dino stoppers is truly terrifying.
Oh, thank you, your putridness. I can't wait to see the look on the face of those stupid thunder lizards just before I squash them.
Good, Biff. The rest of you come with me. My goiter needs lancing.
Goiter, schmoiter, what about that haircut?
Every Tuesday, like clockwork.
Can you think, gag me?
Hey, guys! Check it out!
Dinosaurs! It's huge, diabolical dino stompers!
They are headed for Jurassic City. Come on, roll this way.
Thunder lizards! Well, kiss the bottom of this!
Unorthodox use of the goop, thunder lizards. Well done.
Curse those thunder lizards!
Ha-ha! Nice try, Thugosaurs!
Better luck next time.
Hate to roll and run, but we'll keep in touch!
Squashed like a bug by big foot!
Bill, I'm so glad you're back. Look what I just found. They just rolled in. I think this will change sports forever. I call them bouncing balls. Watch.
Scooter. Scooter, run!
Well, guys, we may not have captured those crafty humans.
But we did manage to trip up the Thugosaurs.
Right, guys. Now we must find Dr. Steggy and see if he can free us from the bouncy goop. Come on.
Hey, guys, aren't we forgetting something? Thunder lizards!